Hello, everyone, and welcome to Quick Start Making Money. My name is Rose. I'm one of the happiness engineers for WordPress.com. And on this video, I'm going to show you different ways on how to monetize your WordPress.com site. So I do have here my test WordPress site. And if I want to check the different ways to monetize my WordPress.com site, I can go to Tools from my left menu and then click Earn. From here, I have options like collect payments, accept donations and tips, collect payments for content, send paid email newsletters, collect PayPal payments, earn ad revenue, and referrals. On this webinar, I'm going to share with you different ways to monetize your WordPress.com site. We will cover ad revenue through Word Ads, sell products through Pay with PayPal or Payments Block, and offer subscriptions through Premium Contents Block. The first thing that I'd like to show you is Word Ads. Word Ads will let you earn money through ad revenue in your WordPress.com site. So Word Ads is similar with Google AdSense. It's an advertising platform for WordPress sites where businesses bid against each other to deliver their ads to your WordPress site. This will let companies advertise through your website, and you will earn money through ad revenue sharing. WordPress.com site must have at least a premium plan in order to sign up for Word Ads, and a PayPal account is required to receive your earnings. If you want to learn more about Word Ads, you can visit this website, wordads.co, for more information. Now let me show you how to activate Word Ads in your WordPress.com site. From your WordPress.com dashboard, if you'd like to activate Word Ads, you can go to Tools from your left menu and then click Earn. And then scroll down and look for the Earn Ad Revenue section. And then click Earn Ad Revenue button. Now, from here, you will be taken to the application section for Word Ads. In order to activate Word Ads in your WordPress.com site, click Join Word Ads pink button in your right side. Then it will take you to the Word Ad settings. If you want to enable targeted advertising to California's site visitors, you can toggle this on. Next is the site owner information. This is an important section in setting up Word Ads because this is where you will set up your payments. So you will need to enter your PayPal email address in this box provided. And then from this drop-down, select the option that is appropriate for you. So I am an individual or sole proprietor, so I'm going to be selecting this. And if you are a US resident or based in the US, make sure to put a check mark for this option for you to fill out the tax reporting information. I am not from the US, so I'm just going to keep this unchecked. And make sure that the terms of service is checked. So once you're done, you can scroll up and click Save Settings button on the upper right-hand side. Once you're done activating Word Ads in your WordPress site, the next step is to set your ad display settings. So going back to our WordPress.com dashboard, you can go to Tools in your left menu and then click Earn. Scroll down, and we're actually looking for the View Ad Dashboard section. Next is to click this View Ad Dashboard button, and then go to the Settings tab. This will let you change the display settings or visibility of your ads in your WordPress site. So the first section is the ads visibility. You can run your ads for all users, meaning the ads will be displayed to everyone, whether they're logged in or not in their WordPress.com account. You can also run ads only for logged out users. This will mean less revenue, but this will display ads only for logged out users, meaning they're logged out from their WordPress.com account. Or you can pause ads, which means no revenue, and this will stop displaying any ads in your WordPress site. You can also set to display ads below post on front page, post, pages, or archives. And you have additional ad placements for the top of each page, second ad below post, or sidebar. So once you're happy with the ads visibility settings and display settings, you can click this Save Settings button on the upper right hand side. After a few minutes, you will be able to start seeing ads on your WordPress.com site. The next thing that I'd like to show you, which is related to the ads display, is the Word Ads widget. With the Word Ads widget, you would be able to control whether you want to display ads in your sidebar or footer, depending on the widgets available for you. From your WordPress.com dashboard, you can go to Appearance in your left menu and then go to Customize. Clicking Customize will take you to the WordPress.com Customizer, where you can edit the customization options of your WordPress.com site. Now we're looking for widgets in your left menu. You can add Word Ads display in your widgets area. All you gotta do is click this Add a Widget button. And in this Search Widgets box, look for Word Ads. And select this option for Word Ads. It will give you options for the tag dimensions. So you can use 300 by 250 medium rectangle or 160 by 600 wide scraper. Once you're happy with the settings, you can click Save Changes on the upper left-hand side. And as you can see here, this is an example of the ad. For the earnings, there is a minimum threshold of $100 and it's paid on a monthly basis through PayPal. If you want to monitor your earnings, you can go to your Word Ads dashboard. From your WordPress.com dashboard, you can go to Tools in your left and then click Earn. Scroll down and we're looking for the View Ad Dashboard. Click this View Ad Dashboard button and it will take you to the Earnings section. From here, you will be able to check your earnings. Another section where you can check your Word Ad stats is in your Stats section. So click this Stats option in your left menu and then go to Ads tab at the top. And this will take you to the stats of your ads. You can check the ad served, average, CPM, and the revenue. And you can also change your view from days, weeks, months, or years. And that's all for Word Ads. If you have any questions, please use the Q&A section. In WordPress.com, you can sell products and services, and we provide built-in tools that let you create simple product listings where there's no need to install or activate any plugins. The first tool that I'd like to show you is the Pay with PayPal block. The Pay with PayPal block is a WordPress.com block that you can add to your pages or posts to set up product listings and receive payments through PayPal. It's not a plugin, so there is no installation needed. And it's available for sites with at least a premium plan. It can be displayed on your sidebar or footer through Pay with PayPal widget. I'm going to show you how to create a simple product listing using the Pay with PayPal block. So from my WordPress.com dashboard, I would like to create a new page, so I will go to Pages from my left menu and then select Add New. Then this will take you to the WordPress.com page editor. So the block that we're trying to add is called Pay with PayPal. I'm going to use this plus icon here to add a block and then type in Pay with PayPal block. And this is the block that we're looking for. I'm going to click that. And this gives you this Pay with PayPal block form. If you want to add a product image, you can either click upload button if you want to upload the image from your computer, or select media library if you already have the image saved in your media library. So I already have the image saved in my media library, so I'm gonna click on media library button and then select the image from here. So on this website, I'm going to be selling planners. So I'm going to select this image here. You know it's selected when there's this check mark. And click the insert button on the lower right hand corner. And the image gets added to my form. Now I'm going to give this product a name in this item name box. And then put a few description right here. You can select the currency in this currency drop-down menu. As you can see, these are the currencies that currently supported. I'm going to keep it to US dollars and put the price in the box provided for the price. This section here allows people to buy more than one item at a time. If I toggle this on, this will let people to enter multiple quantity. With a Pay with PayPal block, there is no shopping cart included, so this works like a buy now button with PayPal. People will be able to purchase a single item at a time, but they can enter multiple quantities if you will allow people to buy more than one item at a time. However, if you are selling multiple items on your website, people will not be able to add items to cart and purchase multiple items all at the same time. You will be able to purchase it one by one. And then this box provided for the email is where you will put your PayPal email address. To make sure that you won't have any issues receiving payments, make sure that you enter your PayPal email address correctly, no spelling error, and make sure that it is a confirmed email address. Now we're ready to publish. I'm going to click the publish button on the upper right hand corner, and then let's preview. I'm going to click preview on the upper right hand corner to preview this page. So as you can see, this is a really nice, simple product listing. We have the title, the description, the image, the price, and I can enter quantity. If I want to purchase 3 items, I can put it 3 there. And then click the Pay with PayPal button to make the payment. Clicking this will take them to the PayPal page where they can either log in to their PayPal account to make the payment or enter their credit or debit card details. The next feature that I would like to show you is the payments block. The payments block work almost the same way with the Pay with PayPal block, but the only difference is this is powered by Stripe. This lets you accept credit and debit card payments through Stripe, and it can be used to create recurring revenue or one-time payments. And this is available for all sites using the block editor and any paid WordPress.com plan or self-hosted sites on a paid Jetpack plan. Now, I'm going to show you how to set up or how to create a simple product listing using the payments block. If it's your first time to do this, you might first need to connect your Stripe account with your WordPress.com site. So the first thing that we're going to do is to connect my WordPress.com site with my Stripe account. From my WordPress.com dashboard, I will go to Tools, from my left menu, and click Earn. And then I will click Collect Payments button in the Collect Payments section. Now this will take you to this page where you can connect your Stripe to get started. So I'm going to click this button right here. And this will take me to the Stripe website. I am already logged into my Stripe account, so this already give me the option to connect my Stripe account. If you're new to this website, this might take you to the Stripe website where you can create a new Stripe account. So I'm going to click connect from here. And now my Stripe account is already connected to my WordPress.com site. So the next thing that we're going to do is to create a simple product listing using the payments block. You can add a payments block either on a page or a post. If I want to add it on a post from my WordPress.com dashboard, I can go to post from a left menu. Click all posts if I want to add it on one of my existing posts, or click add new if I want to create a new post with a payments block. So I'm clicking add new, and then I will click this plus icon here to add a new block, and then I will search for payments block. So this is the block that we're looking for. I'm gonna click that. So as you can see, this will prompt me to create a new payment plan. I'm gonna create a new payment plan. So the currency section, these are the currencies we are currently supporting. I'm going to keep it to US dollars. And then I will select $10 for the price. And then the renew interval, I'm going to keep it to one-time payment. And then I will put here Happy Planner. And then I will click this add this payment plan button to create a new payment plan. The new payment plan is already created, and it's the payment plan that is linked to this payments block. I'm gonna put the text here called buy now. So as you can see, I already have the buy now button, but I don't have the details of the item yet. I'll add in a title, a short description of what I'm selling, as well as the price. And then click publish so the payments block is live. I'll go to view post so I can see what it looks like on my site. I have the title, I have the description, and you will receive your payment in your Stripe account. One of the fastest growing business models these days is subscriptions. By offering subscriptions, this can give you a guaranteed earnings on a particular period of time. It can be monthly or yearly. Maybe you blog about photography and you would like to start offering courses through subscriptions. Or maybe you are a writer and you would like to offer subscriptions to people to get access to your contents. In WordPress.com, we provide a built-in tool in order for you to offer subscriptions to your website, and you wouldn't need to install or set up a plugin. This feature is called the Premium Contents block. This allows you to accept monthly or annual payments on your website for access to exclusive contents. If you are familiar with Medium.com or Patreon.com, you can create something similar to that. Stripe account is required for receiving payments, so you gotta go to stripe.com to get an account and to check whether Stripe is available for your country. It works both for physical goods and virtual or downloadable items. And it also allows buyers to cancel the subscription at any time. And it's free to use on sites with any paid WordPress.com plan. I'm going to show you how to create a simple product listing that offers premium contents. From your WordPress.com dashboard, you can add a premium contents block to either a page or a post. So I want to add it to a page, so I'm going to go to Pages on my left menu and select Add New. This will prompt me to select a page layout, but I would like to start with a blank page. So I will click blank page button from my left menu, and this will take me to the page editor. I am selling planners to my website, so I would like to also offer courses on how to design planner pages. Let me first give this a title on the title area, how to design planner pages. And then I will add a block using this plus icon here. And the block that we're looking for is premium content block. I'm gonna click that to add. And this is the premium content block form. Now let's go through these tools one by one. The visitor view is actually where you will edit the contents to those people who are not yet subscribed. Now the subscriber view is where you will put your protected contents. And this option here is the drop down for your plan. Currently, I only have one plan, which is for my Happy Planner item, and I would like to create a new plan. You can click this Add a New Subscription option to create a new plan, or you can go to your right menu here. Make sure that you're in the Block tab, and you will find the Add a New Subscription form in this section. So I'm gonna name this Design Planner Pages Lesson. You can select your currency from this option here, and I would like to keep it to US dollars. And let me price this $5 per month. So you can enter the price in the box provided if you want to put a different price. And for the interval, you can do monthly or yearly. So once you're happy with the settings, click the Add Subscription button. And as you can see here, it's auto-selected. So this is the plan that I would like to use, and I'm going to keep it there. Now let's work on the contents. First, let's go to Visitor View. Everything here is editable. All you gotta do is to highlight and edit it to your own contents. Learn how to. And then you can also add images if you want. I'm just gonna be clicking enter from my keyboard, and then I will add an image block here because I'd like to add an image for my visitors. And then click insert on the lower right hand corner. These buttons here are also editable. So all you gotta do is to click the button and change the text. If you will notice, whenever you click a button here, your options on the right side for the block tab also changed. If I go to buttons, these are the options that I have, so I can change the color. I can also change the border settings and also the width settings. If I select the image, I also have different options for customization on the right side. So everything in the block is actually editable. You can find the options for customization either on the right side, and you also have this tooltip at the top for the settings. Okay, so I am done with my visitor view. Now I want to go to the subscriber view. If you will look on the lower left hand corner, you will see this path right here. And this is something that I'd like to share with you. Sometimes it's kind of difficult to go from one block to another if you're working on a multiple block content. Now, this path here is actually clickable. Right now, I am on the image, but if I want to go to the main block, which is the premium content block, I can just click on premium content from there. And as you can see that the tools at the top now changed because it is now selecting the entire premium content block. Now I'd like to go to the subscriber view. So I'm going to click subscriber view. So here you can enter or you can put all the protected contents. Now, maybe you want to change this. This is the title. And then you can put the contents here. You can basically add any kind of block that you want. If you have the lesson in a video, you can actually add, maybe you can add a YouTube block if you have the video on YouTube. You can also have Vimeo if you have the video saved on Vimeo, or if you want to upload it directly to your website, you can use the video block. Now I have the lesson on YouTube, so I'm gonna add a YouTube block. And then I'm just gonna head over to YouTube here, click share, copy, and then paste it here. I don't own this video, but I'm just using it for demo purposes. Now, if you're gonna be displaying protected contents, make sure that you own the contents. So I have my title, my description, and I also have my video here. Maybe I also want to add a downloadable file or course document for people to read. So I would like to add a file block. I'm just gonna put my cursor by the end of this paragraph, and then I will click enter from my keyboard. Now I will add a block here, and I will look for file. So the file block will actually let you upload a file or display a file in your post or page that people can download. You can either use the upload button to upload the file from your computer, or click media library if you already have the file saved in your website's media library. So I already have the file in my media library. I'm going to click the media library button from here, and then I will go to documents, and I have this PDF file. I'm going to select it. You know that it's selected when there's a check mark, and click the insert button on the lower right hand corner. So as you can see, there's this PDF display, and people can download it from here. And also they have this video for the tutorial. Now I'm just gonna do a quick review. I will go to premium content block. Now this is the subscriber view, meaning this is what the people will see after they subscribe. It's $5 per month, and the visitor view is right here. This is what people will see when they are not yet logged in or when they are not yet subscribed. Now, something that we missed is the price. So I'm just gonna add the price at the top of the buttons. So I am selecting this buttons block, and then I will click this options menu and click insert before. So this will let me add a new block on top of the buttons. And then let me add a heading. I want the price to stand out, so I'm gonna use H3 and put here $5 per month. Now I'm ready to publish. I will click the publish button on the upper right hand side, and then let's click view page button to preview this page. So as you can see, this is what people will see once they subscribed. So they have the title, the text, the downloadable file, and also they can watch the video. For people who haven't subscribed yet, they will see the visitor view. So they have the title, the description, and the price. And from here, they can click enroll if they want to enroll to this course. And clicking enroll will take them to a form where they can enter their credit card details. They can also use debit card, and then again, this is powered by Stripe. So you will receive every payment in your Stripe account. The next section that I'd like to show you is where you can view your payment plans and your subscribers. From your WordPress.com dashboard, you will go to Tools on your left menu and then click Earn. Now, you can either click on Collect Payments or Add Premium Content Subscriptions. This will take you to the same page. So click Collect Payments button, and this will take you to your Payments section. You can find here your Earnings section, and then you will find the list of your customers and subscribers on this section. And in the Manage Plan section, you can check all the payment plans you have by clicking this Payment Plans arrow. These are the 2 plans that I currently have, and as you can see, you can also create a new plan from here by clicking the Add a New Payment Plan button on the upper right-hand corner. Now let's go back, and at the bottom you have the option to disconnect your Stripe account. Probably you would like to change the Stripe account connected with your WordPress site. So what you're going to do is click this Disconnect Stripe account, and then you can connect a new one. For the cancellation, your subscribers actually have 2 options to cancel. They can either go to their WordPress.com account to cancel, and this is where they're going to go. So from their WordPress.com account, they can go to their profile here and then go to Purchases. And then they will find another option here for other websites where they can click and cancel the subscription from there. Second option is for them to contact you. You can also cancel the subscription from the payments dashboard. In this section for customers and subscribers, you will find the list of your subscribers. And for each of them, you have the option to cancel the subscription. That's all for the premium contents block. If you have any questions, please use the Q&A section.